have another big old Temu haul. There it is. They all came in at once. So, this is my third one, I think. I will show you what we got. We set back some shoes. That their sizing is a little crazy. So, Mr. Retro's ordered some shoes. Oh, these are nice. So, he ordered these in a 9, and they just fit. I think they'll stretch out a little bit. He says if he orders again, he's going to get a 9.5 maybe. Oh, I don't know. I think these are Gucci knockoffs or something. But they're cool. I like the soles. And they have, are they leather? They appear to be leather. And so, what do these say on here? Oh boy. It's all in another language. I can't tell what the size is. Maybe it says on the top. Oh, it just has some weird numbers here that don't mean anything to me. And what does this say? There's a picture of a guy on here. It looks like Sid Vicious or something. It looks like Sid Haig, actually. But these are nice, and they came in a box and everything. So he's pretty excited about these. He puts it, and there's some writing inside too. Does it have a size? No. What does that say in there? La Oriento. I don't know. They don't look bad, so we'll see how long they last. Oh, it's got a thing. Got some stuff in there. Yeah. Very nice. These are, I think these are like, I don't know, $30, something like that. That's pretty good for leather shoes. So we shall see if they do last. And then he got these. Let's see. These didn't have a box. But he likes these stretchy laces. You don't even have to tie them. I guess you can, I don't know what does this say? Oh, this is the same. I think these are ones he reordered from before. I think these are leather too. They sure look like it. Yeah, they smell like it. And I think, what's the size? Yeah, more of these. This writing in here, I don't know what that means. Does it say on there? I don't know. But their sizing is a little strange. You're supposed to measure your foot, but I don't know. So those, and of course, there's another one for the other foot. This has some more stuff in it. These are very cool. Yeah, stitch in everything. Okay, so he's pretty happy about those. He wanted to send those back. And I got some too. I love these. I love those plaid ones I got so much that I got some cheetah puss print ones. Ugh. These are super cute. I think these say 41. And I wear an 8.5. I think these do say 8.5. The sizing's great. In Europe, I wear a 39. So, you know, you can't go by European sizes. So the 8.5s seem to fit. My plaid ones, I think, are 8.5. What does it say on here? No, it just says in China. But these are really cute. These would be really cute with jeans or leggings. So this is a kind of a nice box. Not really, but love these. Very pleased. And what is this? A headband. This, I don't have any nice green ones. Oh, I love the wired ones. What does that say? Paris. So it's Paris on there. Paris, Paris. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yeah. Yes, I like it when they're wired thingies here, so you can make these you can kind of move these around. Oh, this is very nice. You know, I have so many black ones that I thought, well, I'll branch out. Maybe next time I'll try like an ochre colored one. I don't know, I'm living on the edge, kind of. So these were cheap, like $2 maybe. But I love these. And, oh, I got some other shoes too. This was a shoe thing. These, I love these. These are kind of platformy. Yeah, they're platform. What are these? And they're denim, kind of distressed a little bit. Let's say what size. Oh, this says 40. And these just fit. I would not want them any smaller. So if I wear an 8.5, and these were 40. And I think I ordered an 8.5 on the site. So, and these came in all kinds. They have some green ones. I think they have pink ones. They have another shade of blue. Very cute. There they are there. More of these. It's this Caco Gill in there. That is. And then there's, says it on there too. Is this Sid Haig on there? No. I didn't get any stretchy laces with mine. I have to tie them old school. Oh well. I don't know what these are. These little knobs here. I don't know, but I like them. They're cute and they fit. So that's what matters. And I got some earrings. These are cute. Oh, these are nice. These look like Sugar Fix earrings that you see at Marshall's, TJ Maxx, that type of thing. Only these are like maybe $2 something. My ghosts are sort of like, there's no mark on them. These are cute. Pink candy canes. I'm kind of liking pink this year for Christmas. I'm thinking of doing pink and silver in the sunroom. I ordered a pink tree from Temu. Yes, I did. So we'll see how that looks. And they have everything. And these said they were, what do they call them, monsters? They're Furbies. Oh, they got this plastic on there. I love Furbies. Look. Oh, they're so cute. Now that plastic stuff, let me get it off of here. You can see how much more beautiful it is if you get this plastic jobby stuff off here. Come on. Well, this one doesn't want to come off very easy. Sometimes you have to use a pin. There. Okay, there. Oh, much more beautimous. Look at that. And I have them in different colors, but I kind of like the blue. Matches my shoes. And there's the other one. I gotta peel the stuff off, but there we go. So, I think that's it. Yes, that was the end of my fabulous Temu haul. So I will see you later. Bye-bye.